Okay, can you say caterpillar?
Caterpillar.
Can you say cocoon?
Cocoon.
Can you say double-decker bus?
Double-decker bus. Double-decker bus. Double-decker.
Can you say strawberry?
Strawberries.
Yes, and can you say a plum?
Plum.
Yes. A lolly? Okay. Can you say watermelon?
Watermelon.
Can you say cucumber?
Cucumber.
Can you say sausage?
Sausage.
Mommy
sausage.
Mommy sausage. Can you say cheese?
Cheese.
And what about pizza?
Pizza.
And what about cake?
Cake.
And apples?
Apples.
And pineapple?
Pineapple.
Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Can you say hi, Hannah?
Hi, Hannah.
Can you say hi, Bam Bam?
Hi, my babe.
Okay, can you say bye-bye, Hannah?
Hannah.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Bam Bam.